Hey guys, happy last day of February, which means warmer weather. Um, but I'm not here to talk about the weather. No, I just wanted to update because my life is just always changing. So when we talked last, I know we confirmed that the option is a stem cell transplant. Um, so yeah, because I talked about conditioning, so I'd have to be doing chemo. I don't know if I mentioned, but the type of chemo they decided before today was that they wanted me to do something called rice, and rice had it shared a couple of the medicines that I had already taken in my previous chemo treatments. So I guess they decided to look at that in the size of the tumor I have on my lung, which I don't have an exact size, but it's about the size of my thumb. So that was as of like 2 weeks ago. So I'm not sure how fast it's grown, but so tumor size, and then also the stage that I'm in. It's not all around my body. So did they want to give me such a strong, brutal dose of chemo to not only kill my cancer, but potentially, put my stem cells in jeopardy of, depletion. So they decided to go a different route. So I will do Rituxan, which I had done my first round or my first treatment, first round of chemo. Um, so I'm familiar with that. He added brentuximab vedotin is what it's called. So how Rituxan focuses on the non-Hodgkin's portion of my lymphoma. This is how it was dumbed down to me. The brentuximab is supposed to focus on the classic Hodgkin's portion of it. And then the actual chemo is called bendamustine. I've never heard of that, but I'm also not a cancer doctor either. So I'm going to research more than just what I read on that. This is more of what kind of drug it is, nerd lingo that's on there that's not easy to, I guess, relay and simplify. Just symptoms and, potential side effects. One of them being a brain infection, but I'm hoping that's not going to happen, of course. It's very rare, but of course they have to put it on there. Everything's a little more scary. Um, so yeah, new chemo. The good thing about it, again, is it's not high dose. Um, so hopefully the side effects or that my symptoms won't be as bad. I'm hoping. I spent all this time growing my hair out. I've actually cut my hair at least 6 times since I've been growing it out, and I missed I don't want to lose it all. I just got it. But of course, looks aren't everything. It's living. So it's a 2 or 3 day process. And then it's again every third week, like my last chemo treatment. And they're still deciding on whether they're going to give me, I spoke about Neulasta. It's the booster shot that they give you so you can produce more blood cells in your bones. But they might give me one that I have to just kind of do on my own. I think it's called Neuprogen, something like that. So I might have to give myself my own shots. That's okay with me. So I will be going to that same hospital that I have been going to, my local hospital, for the conditioning. We're going to do 2 rounds. So that means hopefully if my insurance decides, to hurry up and pay for this, I can get in next week to start this chemo. So that should be, the beginning of March was my first round. Beginning of April will be the second round of this chemo, and then they'll do a PET scan and see where I am. Hopefully I will have hit remission or close enough to remission that they can just go ahead and take me at Carmanos, and we can start taking my stem cells and stuff. So that's about it though. You know, just everything changed. So as always, I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye.